Hey there, early birds and night owls. Ever wondered who invented this little device that wakes us up every morning? Believe it or not, alarm clocks have been around for centuries. The ancient Greeks had water clocks that could make sounds to signal the time. But it was Levi Hutchins, an American inventor, who made the first mechanical alarm clock in 1787. His clock rang at 4 a.m. every day. No snooze button. Fast forward to today, and we've got digital alarms, smart alarms, and even alarms that simulate the sunrise to wake you up gently. So next time you hit that snooze button, remember, you're interacting with a piece of history that's evolved over centuries. Stay curious and keep learning. Catch you in the next video. Like and follow for more cool facts about the inventions that shape our world.